Hello everyone, this is Jason Schoen, Electronics Freak again. If you've ever dealt with pop-ups or annoying advertisements on web pages, I'm going to show you how to get rid of 98% of them. There's a little file on your computer called the host file. It's what stores all the web pages for the browser that you use, whether it be Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, or whatever. It's any address stored inside the host file, the browser will not load, it will block. And that's where blocking most of the advertising comes in. You can download a host file from different sites. I will show you the one I prefer, and then I will show you how to install it. But once you've installed the host file, you will not have, most of the pop-up ads and advertisements and pop-ups you get will be gone. But the way you get the host file, I'll show you the location where I get it. Right here. This is the site where I get my host file. But before I show you how to install it, which by the way the method I will be showing you is Windows XP. If you're going to use Windows Vista or Windows 7, you'll need to read one of these. They're slightly different. Or you can do it in safe mode to make life easier. But anyway, before you install the new host file, I do recommend backing up the old one. And I will show you where they're located. Go to My Computer. Go to C. Go to Windows. Scroll down to your System32 folder. Go to the drivers folder. And then the ETC folder. This is where your host file is stored at. Now your normal host file will be 1 to 5 kilobytes. I've already replaced mine with a new one, but we're going to pretend this was the original. What you're going to want to do before you replace with the new one is go ahead and back up your old one just in case you ever want it back. So what I recommend doing is right clicking on it, left click cut. And then choose the location to store it in. We'll just choose My Documents because almost everybody knows how to get there. So we'll go into My Documents. We'll right click somewhere in the background. And then we'll left click Paste. Our host file, the original one, is now in here. So now we can download the new one and install it. So, and keep in mind this is for Windows XP. So we're going to go here and we're going to download the zip file containing the host file. We're going to save it to my desktop. Apparently I already had one on there, so we'll just replace it. We're going to close this side out. Minimize this. Now we're going to open up the zip folder where we just downloaded, which is right here. Alright, you'll notice there's a bunch of different files here. On Windows XP, the only one you need to be concerned with is the one that says host. Ignore all the others. The easiest way to install it is drag and drop it into the folder. So just click on the file, drag it down into the folder, and then release it. And that's simple as that. That's how you install the host file on XP. Later on, I'll probably make a video for Vista or Windows 7, but for now, this is one for XP and how to install it. Once you've installed it, you can double check it to see if it's working by going to certain web pages. Like, you can go to myspace.com, just about everybody goes there. Notice how this page right here showing unable to connect, that's one of their advertisements they're trying to load. Whenever you see this, don't freak out, your browser's working fine, it's just the host file blocking most of the advertisements. Keep in mind, some will still make it through, but this will block about 95 to 98% of them. And some sites might complain about it, but personally I don't like advertisements. If you do, you can put your original host file back. It's up to you. Either way, enjoy, no advertisements. Adios.